stole a towel, man?
And the one behind the camera.
With what here?
Well, we have a mail call, and then we have a couple of pickups.
Yes. Mail call. I've been waiting for these for months. And they came, I didn't realize they ordered the same company. And they came wrapped up in tape all the way around both these. And
it took him 20 minutes to take the tape off.
I had to do it off camera, but it was been forever. I have a picture here we show how they look.
You know, these packages came from China.
I didn't mean to order them from China.
Which is part of the reason why they took so long to get here. And I think the reason for that is because they put them on the slow boat.
I guess so. All right.
Only it was the slow boat from China instead of the slow boat to China.
All right. What do you think these are in here?
Oh, I know what's in there. Ooh, came in a pop protector.
Yes,
it's Raphael. Oh, card.
Cool.
Good luck charm.
I like this one. It's kind of cool.
No. Exactly. If anybody knows what these are like, what they symbolize, that's cool. It's the same one.
Raphael.
Yes. What is this?
I'm gonna put them with a pop. I don't know, some place in
the
China.
Little thing that
they're really cheap, but
yeah,
it looks like it's mint condition. But I see kind of a problem.
If he's in a pop protector, we're not going to take him out, right?
Yeah, we're going to show him to him.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, because I see a problem with him.
Oh.
Yeah, if you look at it, they put in a pop protector, hide something.
I see it. Yeah, I do.
I have a feeling this pop's going to fall apart in our hands. What do you think?
Probably.
Yeah,
it's too good to be true.
Yes. Have anyone seen that?
Look at that.
It's mint condition, but the pop, I can just take it off. That's easy access.
It's in mint condition?
Well, other than
except for the fact that it came unglued. Well, I guess we can probably glue it back together.
It's Raphael.
Raphael. He's my favorite.
Yes, and his box had better days. No, but his box, I guess if you keep it in a pop protector, it won't matter. Have you ever seen a pop do that? Anyone? So Raphael's your favorite, you said?
Yes, he's always been my favorite turtle. Because he's moody.
Moody like you.
Oh, look, his head turns.
Yeah, too well.
He's got his weapons, his side.
He was a cheap pop though, so I'm not mad about it. It's mint. We needed this one for.
Oh yeah, and I mean a little bit of glue and it'll be.
I'm not gluing. I just put in a pop protector to be fine. Like they did.
Could use a little bit of double-sided tape too.
So he's pretty cool.
Yep.
Well, the next one is my favorite. And if you guys can guess what one I didn't get, I got all but one out of the turtles. If you can guess what one.
And we opened one in a prior video. If you could tell us which one.
We might do something for you. So, tell us what one we haven't opened.
That one's kind of cool too. Yeah, like I said before, if anybody can tell us what these stand for. Yes. It's not some ancient curse or something.
Mikey, my favorite.
Michelangelo. Yeah, he is cool.
Yes, he's my favorite.
I like him.
So, if you guys can guess what one we didn't open yet.
Yes. Which one of the turtles have we not opened?
We might have a double pop here we can give out. Alright, so, you get a surprise giveaway. What? I think it's not that far back on our video either, so.
And don't mention it in the comments, please. Don't mention the giveaway.
Really, just mention what turtle.
Yep.
This box is loose too. Mikey! I think Mikey likes it.
Mikey likes everything, doesn't he?
He's got his head turned.
Oh, there we go.
The very first turtle from 1920s.
There we go. Michelangelo.
Yes, he is my favorite.
His head does articulate. That is cool. He's got his nunchucks.
Alright, he's awesome.
He looks basically the same as Raph.
Same as Raph.
He is cool.
But with nunchucks.
Yes.
But with nunchucks. So.
Oh, and the facial expressions.
So where did you go? Where did we go next? GameStop or Walgreens?
I don't know. We went to GameStop next.
Oh.
I believe.
And you didn't really want me to get this, but I said, but it's a Chase, so I picked it up.
Well,
I think out of the three.
It's a Chase, and you like Mortal Kombat. I personally.
And I sort of like
I've
this
never
one.
played it, so I don't think anything of it. But
I do want to get Scorpion and Sub-Zero maybe, but.
okay, it is.
Mortal
From
Kombat.
Mortal Kombat X.
Riddle.
Raiden.
We're not going to take him out.
No, we're going to keep him on the card.
Yes.
It's too bad he's punched.
Hey, I told the guy that. He looked at me and gave me a sad look on my face.
Well, I guess he doesn't have much of a choice. He's got to do what he's got to do.
Walgreens. And we just, if you watched one of our prior videos, I ordered some Walgreens ones, and I didn't get this one, but I found them in the store.
Yeah, amazing.
The only one I didn't order, and I found the only one
Praetorian Guard.
Yes, so I was happy to get this one. That completes the Walgreens ones. We have all the Walgreens ones for Star Wars right now. Something dropped.
My glasses.
That's not good. Don't break them. You need them later. They answer comments.
I need him later to walk to the bathroom.
So this is these guys. We like these guys. His helmet. Oh wow, his helmet's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, he's tall.
Yeah, he's tall. He's a ninja
He's a
turtle.
big guy.
He's a ninja turtle, you know.
Well, you see, he's got the whip.
He's gonna whip
For
you.
the most part, they're styled the same, but okay, I'm gonna move this so I can. There we go.
He's still the same.
For the most part, they're styled the same, but
Bot. He's a bot.
they did actually a really good job of making different body sculpts, different weapons.
Different
The helmets are all subtly different.
Yeah, it's pretty good difference.
They're really cool.
I like these guys.
I'm actually glad we got all three of them because they are different.
So surprisingly, what's your favorite from the haul, people?
Oh, well, my favorite has to be Raphael.
Mine's Mikey, but I like the guard too.
I like the guard too, yeah. He's got a lot of good, cool details in him.
So what's you guys' favorite? And like I said, what Ninja Turtle did I haven't got yet?
Yeah. Which one have we not opened on video?
Yes. What one we have not opened on video? And have you guys got boxes that are falling apart at the
Have you ever seen one that fell apart like that?
Alright, so this is Towle Towle Man.
And the woman behind the camera.
We have our haul for the week, or so peace out. Oh well, a couple months I guess.
Yeah, really.
So peace out everyone.